It was getting hairy. It was getting hairy. I worried I was about to step back.
2 men killed in Value Village, I thought,
yeah. Compressor.
Yeah. Welcome back, guys. Let's take a look in this Value Village and grab a few electronic goodies and see if they work. $5.99 for what looks like a really old 70s phone, radio, alarm. Well, it's got everything, this, isn't it? Definitely. I always like the old wooden look thing. Oh, it's even got some numbers left in it for me. Imagine buying this, plugging it in, and see if you could call these people up. That would be really weird. I ain't got a landline at home, so I only use a cell phone now. Does anyone use a landline anymore? Anyway, let's go and see if it works. That's the main thing. Let's plug it in and see if it works. Let's find a spot. Get her on there. Usual tied up wires and elastic bands. Let's find a plug spot. Oh, there we go. It's not great. It's not the brightest of clocks. It's as if it's definitely lost some of its mojo on the clock, that's for sure. Well, the buttons seem to work though, which is pretty good. Usually you have to end up spraying them to get them to work. So check out the radio. So we're getting something in tunes. It's always hard to find a decent station in these stores because they're like, it's like a huge tin roof concrete building.
Casino games must be 19 plus. Ontario residents only. Please play responsibly.
Well, it's picking up something. So.
Homelessness is a lot like musical chairs.
I can categorically say that part of it
when
works.
The music stops,
not so keen on the
Canadians, many of them
pathetic
don't
dull light on the clock
But
though.
if we act right now with urgency, we can fix it.
$6. That's the back of it. Anyone who's interested in, or can probably tell me how old it is. Oh look, a front loader CD player. Oh, it's got some dirt on the speaker there. Oh, I like that. That's really cool. The way the control board just pops down from the bottom. It's got USB. It's got volume input. Obviously, I think it's a 3.5 jack. Really nice condition. Except for the slight coffee stain on that one speaker. Very nice. Plenty of wires on the back. Looks like it's got an antenna wire on the back. Speakers you can separate and put, so you can have decent stereo at least. You can spread them out. I like it. It's nice. Looks like there should be an antenna there, but I don't think there is. I think it's just a wire on the back. Let's plug it in and see if it works. So this is a Phillips brand, and I think Phillips used to make really good stuff, to be honest. It wasn't dodgy electronics with Phillips. They were quite a good brand in the 80s and 90s. I think this is probably more 2000s. I really do like the see-through to the cassette. If we can select radio. Have a look. I think it's got automatic search, which is pretty cool. I still prefer a dial, to be honest. Well, are you guys, like a dial with numbers, or do you like the digital tuners? I really like the dial tuners myself. Well, pick stuff up. It's a really nice, clean image on the screen. That's the 3.4 jack. I wonder what would you put in on the USB? You'd have to have like some sort of USB connector. Oh, that comes up nice. No, don't push it down. Press the button. There we go. I nearly pushed it down then. All we really need is a CD and test it. What about some Sting? We'll try some Sting. See if it works. It's really cool how it stands up. I have one pretty similar. Don't think it's a Phillips at home, and it's very, very similar to this, but a bit smaller. 2000s stand-up CD player. Speakers separate as well. It doesn't have the really cool little pop-out control unit thing at the bottom, same as this does. And in my one doesn't do USB or a 3.4 millimeter in. Wow, I just checked how much these are worth. Selling $100. Wow. Yeah, I had to talk a bit over Sting there. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I like it. It's nice, but I've already got one, and I don't know about selling this one. It's I need a little bit of cleaning up. And then we came across this. I don't think I've seen one before in Value Village. It's a air compressor with a little tank. The tank's not very big. It's not going to hold much air. But my friend was interested in it. He was with me that day, and we decided to go and plug it in. Now, I don't know if you know air compressors, but they tend to fill up with air, and they're supposed to switch off when they're full enough or when they reach their capacity. And then you use it and it'll just keep pumping as you use it. Now, my friend was holding the plugs, but the actual knob on the side works to shut off the air so it will fill up. So here we are waiting for it to fill up, and we just a thought occurred to us: what happens if it doesn't shut off? it could end pretty badly. Anyway, we got it switched off. Oh, there we go. I think I turned it on and then turned it off.
Take things up now. That's filling up.
So then we just wait for it to fill up. To speed this bit up. Took a couple of minutes to fill up, and then this happened.
All right. It was getting hairy. It was getting hairy. Yeah, I worried I was about to step back.
2 men killed in Value Village.
Yeah,
I thought,
in my
yeah.
compressor.
Yeah. So
Yeah, that will release it.
Going for about $60. He paid $25 for this one.
not that powerful though.
And he does have all the airlines at home, so he can actually use it. So with that, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.